Imagine earning $1,200 daily just by chatting online. Yes, you heard it right. Welcome to the fascinating world of chatting jobs. These are jobs where your gift of the gab can translate into real earnings. The potential, as much as $1,200 a day. Now that's a lucrative opportunity, wouldn't you agree? What's more, these jobs offer an incredible level of flexibility. Whether you prefer to work from the comfort of your home, from a bustling cafe, or while traveling the world, chatting jobs make it possible. All you need is a reliable internet connection and a knack for engaging conversation. So if you're an online worker looking for a job that can be done anywhere, anytime, and provides a handsome pay, then chatting jobs could be your golden ticket. Intrigued? Stay tuned to learn how to get started. There are several platforms where you can find these lucrative chatting jobs. Let's dive in. The first website we're going to discuss is Just Answer. This platform offers professionals in various fields the chance to provide their expertise through chat. Whether you're a lawyer, a mechanic, a doctor, or an antique appraiser, Just Answer connects you with people who need your advice. The application process involves a rigorous vetting to verify your credentials. Once you're in, you can start earning. The more questions you answer, the more you make. Some experts reportedly earn up to several $1,000s per month. Next up is the Chat Shop. This platform is geared towards customer service representatives. If you have a knack for solving problems and a friendly demeanor, this could be your gig. The Chat Shop requires you to have a typing speed of at least 65 words per minute, and you should be able to work for a minimum of 20 hours per week. The exact earnings vary, but the typical chat agent can make a decent income while working from home. Finally, we have Working Solutions. This company provides business process outsourcing services, including chat support. To apply, you need to fill out an online application, take a skills assessment test, and complete an interview. If you're accepted, you'll work as an independent contractor. The pay can be pretty appealing, with some agents making up to $30 per hour. Remember, these platforms are just a starting point. There are numerous other websites out there that offer similar opportunities. It's all about finding the right fit for your skills and schedule. Whether you're looking for a full-time gig or just a side hustle, chatting jobs can provide a steady income stream. With these websites, you're already one step closer to your first chatting job. Now that you know where to find these jobs, how can you ensure success? The key lies in honing your communication skills. You need to be able to convey thoughts clearly and effectively. Remember, you're not just chatting, you're providing a service. Next is your typing speed. The quicker you type, the more chats you can handle and the more money you can make. So, brush up on your touch typing, maybe take a course or two. A reliable internet connection is also crucial. You can't afford to lose clients due to poor connectivity. Invest in a good internet package that ensures uninterrupted service. Finally, your workspace. Make sure it's comfortable and free from distractions. A conducive environment can greatly boost your productivity and make your work enjoyable. With these tips, you're ready to start your journey in the world of chatting jobs. Earning $1,200 daily with chatting jobs is not just a dream, but a reachable reality. So let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We've explored the potential of chatting jobs and how they offer a unique opportunity to earn a substantial income right from the comfort of your home. We've also introduced you to some of the best websites where you can find these kinds of jobs and offered some handy tips and tricks to help you succeed in this realm. Now it's your turn to take the first step. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, so why not take that step today? You've got all the information you need to get started. All that's left is for you to act on it. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know if you found this video helpful or if you have any questions. Until next time, happy earning.